Locked out of your 2018-2023 GMC Terrain because of a dead battery in your key fob? Don't worry, there's a manual override. The Terrain's keyless entry system relies on the key fob, but a physical keyblade is hidden within the fob. Then, find the concealed keyhole on the driver's side door handle, usually under a small plastic cover. Use the keyblade to gently pry open this cover, being careful not to damage it. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. This method bypasses the electronic system and allows you to enter the vehicle even with a dead battery. If you're having trouble, ensure the keyhole isn't obstructed by dirt or ice. In cold weather, you might need to gently thaw the keyhole. Avoid forceful prying to prevent damage to the cover, which could cost around $150 to repair. Remember, unlocking the door manually won't start the car. You'll still need to jumpstart the battery using jumper cables. It's a good idea to keep your key fob battery fresh, typically lasting 2 to 3 years, or use GM's My GMC app for battery health alerts. For future Terrains, GM is moving towards digital keys and phasing out physical keyholes, but this manual method remains a reliable backup for 2018-2023 models.